GPS stands for Global Positioning System, a network of satellites orbiting Earth, sending signals down to us. Your car's GPS receiver listens for these signals and, by comparing the time they arrive from at least 4 satellites, pinpoints your exact location. It's like a super smart map that always knows where you are, what street you're on, and which direction you're heading. The navigation system in your car takes this info and displays it on a digital map, showing your position as you move. Satellites provide your location. The navigation system gives you the map and directions. A perfect team. Originally built for the military, GPS is now in millions of cars and phones, making travel easier for everyone. No more unfolding paper maps or guessing turns. Your digital co-pilot is always ready. All you need to do is enter your destination, and GPS does the rest. It's designed to be simple, accurate, and stress-free. Whether you're in a new city or your own neighborhood, GPS keeps you on track. It's the foundation for modern navigation, reliable, fast, and always available. So next time you see that little moving icon on your dashboard, remember, it's space-age tech working for you. Your journey just got a whole lot easier. Using your car's GPS is simple. Start your car. The GPS screen lights up, showing your current location. Tap the destination or search button, then enter your address or place name. The system suggests matches as you type. Select your destination and hit go. GPS quickly calculates the best route, considering distance and sometimes traffic. Choose your preferred route and press start. A voice guides you with clear turn-by-turn directions. The map highlights your path, showing your car as you move. Miss a turn? No worries. The GPS instantly recalculates and gets you back on track. Just follow the voice and the map. No stress, no confusion. Arriving at your destination is as easy as listening and driving. Your GPS handles the details so you can focus on the road. GPS does more than just directions. Need gas, food, or a hotel? Search for points of interest. Your GPS finds what you need nearby. Planning a trip with multiple stops? Add them all, and GPS maps the most efficient route. Real-time traffic updates warn you about jams and suggest faster detours. Customize your experience. Change the voice, switch map views, or avoid tolls and highways. Explore the settings to make navigation fit your style. GPS is your local guide, trip planner, and traffic assistant, all in one. It saves time, reduces hassle, and helps you discover new places. With a few taps, you unlock powerful features for any journey. The more you use it, the more you'll get out of it. Your GPS is smarter than you think. Let it help you travel better. GPS means you never have to worry about getting lost. It turns stressful drives into confident journeys, letting you focus on the road. GPS saves time and fuel by finding the fastest routes and avoiding traffic. It helps you drive safer, giving you advance notice for turns and keeping your eyes on the road. Features like speed limit alerts and lane guidance make driving even easier. Less stress, more safety, and more time for what matters. Learning to use GPS is a skill that pays off every trip. Try it out, even for familiar places, and see how much easier driving becomes. Once you experience the convenience, you'll never want to drive without it. Your best co-pilot is always ready. Just enter your destination and go.